Start. Now I come to heavy industries which are confronted with foreign competition. There is certainly a great improvement in this bill as against the provisions of the previous tariff board. I congratulate the government for bringing in the present proposal. Every time when these protection bills come before us, government merely gives them protection for a number of years, but information is not given to us as to whether the industries have been asked to improve the quality or to cut down their operational charges so that they can meet competition with foreign countries. All along, these complaints were there, and the Fiscal Commission has dealt with all these exhaustively. I am glad that some of the recommendations have been embodied in this bill. I do hope that in future, when protection has to be given to any industry, the points that I have made out will be borne in mind. For example, to what extent the raw material, which is generally a handicap for the purpose of expansion of an industry, will be available to them. At present, we have got several industries with very large capacity. In certain respects, we can cope with the Indian production in the country, but for want of raw material, they cannot produce that quantity which India requires. Every member of the select committee has to read the report, and if they have not done so, they should, in the interests of the industries concerned and the country. All these discussion here is to enable the members of the select committee to know what are the points to be considered and the objects to be aimed at, and so on. You have rightly laid down the healthy convention that the members of the select committee need not take part in the discussion, but they should be present and listen to the observations made here. They may accept whatever they feel like accepting, but that is another matter. As I said, this convention that you have laid down, sir, is a healthy convention, and nobody should take it ill if anybody says anything about this subject. I am saying the right thing according to me, and it may be agreeable to some and it may not be agreeable to others. Well, sir, regarding the number of members on the Tariff Commission, it has been stated that the number should be raised from 4 to 6. Stop.